which the HR guy does. And ताज्या खातीर HRची database आसप and ताजी आमकां vacancy pool मेळप. We are also looking at an ambitious plan in the next 3 to 4 months of having a portal in place. A portal which will be transparent enough म्हणजे तू पेपरार एड घाल खंय घाल जशें तुम्ही vacancy notify करता तुम्ही तुमचो requirementूय घालात. So there is a breach from employment side to the employer. This breach also will allow us to know another gap, how we do it. And as we look at it, we will think of job skilling, of getting the requisite skills to this Goan youth who can be made industry ready. And yes, समज केले, we talk about industry creating a wealth creation. We talk about the state driving a policy which will take care of employment, real sense at grassroots level. We talk about ease of doing business with the companies which are there going in a thing. And you can imagine the whole ecosystem is changing. The world is changing. When I have a look at the startup and the people who are there today, they get their burge, 12th, first year, second year, they come with innovations. Business models are changing. Industries are changing. Today the bigger industries in terms of expansion are looking at investments into startups. Why? They are looking into startups because they can give innovations, they can reduce the company's cost and give an output which can generate more profit. As we do this, we have to support the startups. So we already went and started supporting the startups. Mangirish, 1 वर्ष continuously was on track कि बाबा किधर करिया GTA. They have also participated, and we got a platform in place where another 1 month we'll get the IT policy in place. Ambitiously, we are talking about getting IT policy driven with some few company MOUs also being signed that day. New companies which will set shops. आणि ताज्या खातीर सरकार खरेंच सध्या ओव्हरड्रायव्हान आसा कित्याक मुख्यमंत्री जरी अमेरिकेक आसलो म्हाका दिसता विकांतल्यान एकदां उलोवप आनी अंडरस्टँडिंग वेर द स्टॉपेजीस आर एंड ट्रायंग टू पुल द थिंग्स एंड पुट द थिंग्स इन प्लेस इज समथिंग विच ऑल वी शुड नो. खुबशे प्रश्न येता कोण तरी आज म्हाका भायर मिडिया म्हणपाक लागली ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा की मुख्यमंत्री थंय आसा जाल्यार इट्स अ प्रॉब्लेम म्हणून. When the government initiatives of unemployment policies making are going in the right track, when we are able to put the drivers in place, where there is no space, खास्ता एक कडे आणि खरपता एक कडे ते एक म्हण आसा. ताच्या खातीर म्हाका तरी दिसता सरकार आज जाता तितलो प्रयत्न करता with due respect to whether it's a medical issue or whatever. I think we should look at governance which is smoothly running. म्हाका एक मनशान सांगूनी की खंय नाल्यार खंय असो इश्यू जाता म्हणून LDC चे पोस्ट काढले लाईन लागली म्हणून फोटो. Ad was very clear. Why I'm sharing this idea because you should understand how government works. Line in रावले म्हणून next day photo की येदी only line रावले. Ad was very clear. Anyway, that ad itself and the job itself we kept on hold. But what I'm trying to say, the government initiatives of creating an ecosystem is coming in shape. आणि खंयचे भुरगे शेप घेता तेन्ना भुरगेपणांत रडटा, हांसता, खाकता, उडी मारता ते भुरग्याक खबर आसता. पूण जशें भुरगें वाडटा देख कशी दिता पळय, संस्कार कशे येता पळय त्या प्रमाणे भुरगें वाडटा. And if you need to create a good industry, a good baby, which I wouldn't go in the past and say खंय वाट लागली कितें जालें काय म्हणून, we have a new beginning chapter under this government under Manohar Parrikar. Last 1 year we have been putting a lot of thrust upon making industry driven policies, making employment in the right direction, and at the same time looking at the employment as one of the priorities. And in this employment scenario, as we drive of whatever Jayant has said in terms of the initiatives that we take in making a very people friendly department, I would say today is the time we all join hands. The HR of every company comes back and says हांव गोंया खातीर कितें तरी करून दाखयतलो, कितें तरी करतलो आनी 6 म्हयन्यान I will prove that we have a person of a talent pool. युनिव्हर्सिटीतलो भुरगो, कॉलेजीतलो भुरगो भायर सरिल्लो need not be industry ready. But if I want to take an initiative as a HR, I will this year go to every industry for a campus interview, pick up some people under CSR or whatever I can, employ in my industry and make them industry ready. I am not committing them that I am going to give you a job. But I am committing that I will make my part into it, in tune, in synchronization with the labor department. A small initiative. Can it be done? If that can be done, आय थिंक दॅट इज द स्टार्ट. ह्या दिसांनी ऑटोमॅटिक ट्रान्समिशनाच्याच गाडयो आयल्या, मॅन्युअल कमी कमी जात आसा. सो चावी मारली, गियर ते एकदा घालें की फक्त जाय थंय ब्रेक मारचो पडटा, नाल्यार एक्सिलरेटराचेर चलता गाडी. आनी ते नवें कितें तरी आयलें, ते कितें तें कसला ते कंट्रोल एकूच स्पिडीन चलता, कितें म्हणटा क्रूज कंट्रोल. क्रूज कंट्रोल सिस्टम येता, तातूंत खंय एकूच लेवलाचेर मागीर एक्सिलरेटर सोडल्यारूय गाडी वता. म्हाका दिसता आमचोय टायम आयला असली गाडी बरोबर घेवन भोंवपाची, जातून ड्रायव्हर तुमी आनी गाडयेक कितें सपोर्ट दिता ते आमी. हे समज सिस्टम जाली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता गाडी बऱ्या प्रमाणान चलतली. I would request today's forum to look at these opportunities that we look at as we think of doing a lot of things for the government, from the government side, a role for all of you all to play, a significant role for all of you all to play, that when we look at Goa, we think at creating Goa to the next level. Mining is no longer the same. Tourism, the industry has a growth potential, is growing or is having its limitations to the issues what are there. But at the same time, it is time that the state starts looking at something different as an economic vertical. Our CM is on record that he is wanting to get non-polluting industries, getting industries under whether it's investment promotion board, creating policies in the IT sector, creating Goa as a knowledge destination, and whether it's IIT, whether it's NIT, which have already come in or are coming in, we have BITS Bilani, we have our own JC, we have PCC, we have Don Bosco Fatarda, creating graduates, which we wouldn't want to be jobless. We have diploma holders passing out every year from various government colleges, we have from the shipbuilding fraternities. So when we are creating this particular part, we would like to ensure that policies are taking care of the freshers who are passing out. And ताच्या खातीर IT पॉलिसीन एक ल्हानशें आमी एक इन्सेंटीव घालो की भुरग्याक घेता आसतनाच कॅम्पसांतल्यान घेतलो जाल्यार कंपनीकूच त्या मनशा खातीर इन्सेंटीव मेळटलो. It's a different thing. And I think when these policies come out, you will know what we are talking about. The only part which I feel that the educational institutes which actually do everything, the academics and the syllabus also need to be changing, because if knowledge is the investment industry we look at, then we have to look at getting our talent pool right. Talent pool तयार करता असताना, it's not an exercise which can be done today, but the exercise has started. We are looking at education systems changing, we are looking at things changing where CM has been personally monitoring in the past. We are only saying, as the world gets into competitiveness, as the workforce gets into competitiveness, गोंयकार भुरगो फाटल्यान उरपा जायना. Identify the problem Korea, खंय आसा थंय we will tap that particular gap what is there. I am only saying that government is conscious of the fact that we do not have all the answers. But at the same time, I would say the government is cognizant of the fact that if we all sit and discuss, we will find all the answers, and that is why this event has been called. I thank you all for coming here today in large numbers, but only think the success of this evening after the panel discussion will be the conversion of this into Goans getting employment opportunities as talented pool, or while you participate to create a talent pool. Thank you.